Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present four direct testing techniques. I'm going to present one for each skill. I mean, listening, writing, reading, and speaking. Each activity is based on direct assessment because the students have to perform the skill that we are testing. So let's start. We're going to start with um, our listening part. So the technique that I choose is following directions on a map. So the directions for our students say the following. You will hear some directions. Please listen carefully and follow them on the map. Mark the correct location of the park. Like we said, this is direct because students listen and perform the real skills of following directions and our expected outcome, and the students should correctly identify the place. This we say that this is valid because we are because it tests listening comprehension directly, and this is reliable because uh, all the students hear the same audio. Then we have our reading part, and it says for the technique, choosing the correct title for each paragraph. The instructions are read the short paragraphs and match each one with the current heading from the list. We have an example of our a list of headings, and the students has to read a pair of paragraphs and then match. Why we say that this is direct? Because students read and understand the text. Our expected outcome is that students match ideas with the main topics. And we said that this is valid because it takes real reading comprehension. And this is reliable because the instructions are clear and the answers also are objective. And we have also the speaking part, and I choose uh, as a technique the role play, and our topic is going to be booking ticket at a theater. So the instructions will be please work in pairs. One has to be the customer, the other one has to be the theater employee. The customer wants to buy tickets for a play and have a short conversation. When we say this is direct, because students use spoken English in real life tasks, and our expected outcome is that the uh, students have to produce a short but real conversation, and this is valid because it takes speaking in a real context, and this is reliable because we use the same rubric, same rules for grading. So, the results has to be or will be the similar, no matter uh, which teacher check it. And almost for finish, we have the writing part, and I choose as a technique writing a set of instructions. So the instructions say, please write a short set of instructions on how to make a healthy snack. Use at least 4 steps. So why we say this part is direct because the students write, which is the skill being tested, and our expected outcome is the students have to produce a short, organized test with sequence markers. We said that this is valid because it directly measures writing, and this is reliable because the rubric, the instructions are clear and also are the same for all of our students. Basically, in all of our tasks, we say that um, they are reliable because are the same, are clear, and has to be uh, the same for each of our students in order uh, to our test can be valid and also reliable. So that's going to be all for my presentation. Thank you so much.